YouTube, welcome back to Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. Today we're going to be working on my inspiration quotes randomness journal. This is just like some memories I'm keeping and other stuff. I gotta cut that F word out, wait. Anyway, so like, yeah, there's a quote from my grandma. So, okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find some fabric in this box of fabrics, and I'm going to cover it, and then I'm gonna add a few things, but I don't really have a lot to add to this one. Alright, enjoy. Okay, so this one's not finished, but I mean, it's done for now. Not all these videos are going to be long. But this is my quotes journal. Remember, I did the fabric on the cover because I hated the cover. I put in one of these little dealies. And then I just have some quotes from actual people and some quotes from famous people. And then some, I put in my a couple of my Twinchies in here, and that's really all I have. But still, it's something. I mean, I put these things in here so they're no longer in a pile somewhere else. So that's it. I mean, even doing a little bit is better than doing nothing at all. Right? It's got a freaking hair on it. Good thing this is mine. Anyway, thanks for watching this episode of Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.